50 here. I'm going to be changing out the fog light bulbs, the regular bulbs, from regular halogen to LEDs. Right now I'm just gonna go inside and start it, show you guys the difference from the halogen to the LEDs. See the difference? This is the LED and this is the halogen one. Okay. Still has the factory bulbs in there. You should upgrade those so it'll match the LEDs on the bottom, but this is halogen and this is the LED replaced. So the same process that I do on this side is the same process you do on this side. This side I already did. It was super easy. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what to do. So basically what I'm going to do is turn the wheel to this side. So I'm going to go back in the car. Turn the steering wheel to your left. Alright, now turn it off. Put a link down in the video description. So all you have to do is basically turn this tab flat. This tab right here also flat. And then these little tabs just pop right out like so. Then you pull the fender liner to the side. And fog light bulb, it's right here. See that? So I'm going to press on the tab like so. Pull it off the connector. Let's press on the tab. Turn the bulb. Take out the bulb. Get the new bulb in. Then the connector, you just slide on like so. And then I'm going to test the lights. I'm going to go inside, turn the fog lights on. As you can see, the fog lights is on. So that means it's good to go. I don't need to flip the bulb, so I'm good. So I'm going to give you guys a front shot of the car to see what it looks like. Alright, this is the finished product. Both sides, exactly what I did on this side, you do on the passenger side. So then right now I'm gonna slide into the slot here and here. So I'm gonna grab this and slide it over. Grab this one. Okay. Then you take these tabs here. Push it through. Then you get the other tab. Line this up. Push it through. Then you and that's it, and it locks in place. You're good to go. That's how easy it is to replace the fog light bulbs, and that's to replace the fog light OEM bulbs.